Love it. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Rochielin. Today again with another vlog. Today I'm actually looking at apartments in Kingston for rent. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey and let you see some of what they have for rent right now. I'm helping out somebody who's looking for something, so I decided, oh, why not carry them, especially for those of you that would want something for rent too. So come on the journey with me. So this is the bathroom area. And this is the bedroom. And then this is the kitchen. No, son, not on my side. Guys, this is supposedly $50,000.
Yes, it comes furnished, light, water and internet included.
Water, so not light.
Light, water,
oh, light.
Internet included in the rent. Yes.
Oh, okay. And there are other families living?
Just me and my family here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, well, thank you. We'll be in touch.
Okay, fine.
I not like that. For $50,000, and it's on the side of the house, which you know it's doable, but it's too small for $50,000 and kind of grungy, and it's just, and then the family, yeah, they didn't even clean the house, you know, like clean it first and make it a little more, you know, approachable. You're going to look for something, you want something more clean. But you know, a lot of people in Jamaica do this because they know say a lot of persons are desperate for somewhere to live. But we ain't desperate, boo. So no, it's a no. It's a no. So on to the next one. So this is usually how people look for houses in Jamaica. They are one of the ways, and it's using the Sunday paper, the newspaper. It's called the Jamaica Gleaner, and yeah, in the classified section. And so just looking through and looking at the things, but I must say some of the housing prices are so expensive, and a lot of them are quoted in US dollars, and I'm like, we get paid in Jamaican dollars, the majority of us. Why put it in US, especially with the sliding dollar, you know? So this is Norbrook, which is, you know, one of the upscale communities in Jamaica, and this is $160,000, but this is a 3-bedroom. Manor Park 2-bedroom for $2,400 US. You know, Oliver Road 2,000. And then if we come down, remember we're in Kingston. So there's this 2-bedroom for $70,000. And then this is a 2-bedroom for $1,000 US. 2-bedroom for $100,000. You know, 2-bedroom for $50,000 monthly. You know, we can call this. Let's call this 2-bedroom for $60,000. Let's call that one. That's not bad. And then another thing too, a lot of the times they call people and the phone got voicemail. I wonder like why put the number in the thing if it's gonna go to voicemail. It's not gonna work. Alright, let's see. Didn't say where, so let's ask where.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please.
Yeah, I keep getting this to unavailable, unavailable, unavailable.
You put in the ad and then they go to church. So it's when they come back from church you put them on.
Oh, at church them gone? So it's a 1-bedroom unit, right?
Yeah, this one is not one available right now.
So you have others that are available or just this one alone?
Yeah, we'll call the gentleman.
Okay. So this is the bathroom. Where's the bedroom? Okay, this don't look bad. Closet. Closet. Bedroom. And then this is kitchen and living. And then a little veranda outside. This don't look bad. I like the openness and modern. Okay, so what? Fridge go right there, so? No, stove go right there, so fridge go over there, so. Then a little couch somewhere in this area. Oh, there's a washroom?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Like a washroom.
Washing machine.
I like the fact that they have a wash area. And then the clothes line outside, I guess.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
So this is our master bedroom? So wait, it's how many bedrooms? 2. No, I'm mad that we didn't get in on this. Wow, this is so nice. 28 million, 2 bedroom, that's not bad. I love the dark wood. I love the dark wood.
It's like English or
40. This is the second. Oh, this is another closet. This is closet? Closet. Okay. It is nice. And then the living room, which is huge. And then it opens up into the kitchen. And the dark wood furniture, so this one was for sale for $28 million. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, kitchen, living and dining here, you know. And then it opens up to outside. So here you go. So very nice. Love it. What's that?
people
Look how the place is dirty and you're renting somewhere. So this one is a 2-bedroom unit.
Wow.
With kitchen. Stepping into the kitchen. Cupboard door, that might break though. Actually, this can't open. So what I want here, so. Mash up. So what the next bedroom? Oh, must that the veranda and this?
It's in the washroom.
Let me see. So you come in from, this is the outside veranda, one bedroom there,
This is a carport.
carport, and then you come in here is the living room, or if you choose for it to be a bedroom. And then around here so now is the kitchen, and then around here so now is one bedroom with closet area, and then the bathroom, and then another bedroom with closet area, and it takes us back out to the carport. So this is a 2-bedroom unit, and it looked like it was one big bedroom and they split it in two, because look at the window, you can see where them cut it. Hello. So I'm basically done for the day. Finished looking at houses for today. Today's day 1. As you can see, I'm very exhausted, but the search didn't go too badly. You guys would have seen the properties that we actually got a chance to look at. There were some calls that we made that persons didn't pick up the phone. There are others that they picked up, and when we got to them, they're telling me, oh, it's already gone. And there's just some that, you know, we got to see, and there are others that are scheduled for tomorrow. But based on what we saw today, you know, haven't found the right one, but we're still looking, you know what I mean? So that's an idea of what house hunting in Jamaica is like, or in Kingston rather, because I've lived in Kingston my entire life. So usually like gleaner on a Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday is good, and a lot of the times people only use Sunday, but I always recommend that get the Saturday gleaner too, because sometimes when persons are advertising, they advertise for Saturday and Sunday, which is why when you call on a Sunday, the places are already gone because some persons went looking from Saturday. So that's one thing to note, you know. I'm always trying to teach you something. But yeah, so the journey continues. I'm gonna continue looking, because, you know, as I say, helping someone and they really want to get into somewhere as soon as possible. So while we're doing that, take you guys on the journey. So thank you guys for watching as usual. Thanks for the support. Remember to like, comment, share, and you see that red subscribe button that's down below this video. Please click it. Tell all your friends to click it. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, you know, and I can only do it with your help. So get your friends to subscribe, get your friends to join the journey, and I appreciate all the kind words and all the messages I get on Instagram, on YouTube. Some of you email me, you know. I'm so grateful, so grateful. It's been a long time coming, and I'm just so happy that you guys are finally catching on. You guys are finally watching my videos, and you guys are here, so thank you. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling now, so I'll see you in the next one.